I'm gonna do a baby boomer on an extension, the other name called French Ombre. I'm going to use the base gel number 1 first. Be careful, don't touch the side walls or the skin around the nail. Just hold the nail downwards and use a little brush to sprinkle some pink powder bottom of the nail. Top it off and dip into a white powder and do the same process all over your 5 fingers. No worries if the first layer isn't perfect. You have to do some more layers to reach the final look. If you put some gel on the skin by accident, just take it off at that moment. Do the second layer how you did the first one. Pink on the bottom and white on the top. We are doing the third layer. Instead of the pink powder, we're gonna use a clear powder. On the bottom of the nail. Tap the excess powder off and then dip into the white powder. Apply the base gel. Sprinkle some clear powder and then dip in the white. Apply the base gel. Sprinkle some clear and then dip in the white, and do it all over your 5 fingers again. The 4th layer will be number 2, a clear top powder to cover the nail properly. I am using a hand file and the white block to do the final shape. We have to do the surface smooth and nice. Prepare everything for the top coat. This is the time to use the activator number 2. Apply it with fast strokes all over the nails. We have to wait 30 seconds to let it dry before we use the top coat number 3. apply the first layer of top coat. It dries almost instantly, and then you can apply the second layer. Wait about 30 seconds. And this is the result what we did today. You can call it baby boomer or French white, how you prefer.